Hi, and welcome to our video on Informed Consent Management Engine for Conformance in Smart Buildings, which supports software developers to enhance privacy by design while limiting information flow control. A smart building can house many organizations. It occupies many individual and shared smart spaces with different types of devices to be used by multiple users. These IoT devices and sensors can capture massive amount of data, including data directly related to an individual inhabitant. The primary intent of capturing tenants' personal and sensitive data is to provide operational efficiency and maximize occupant comfort. However, such personal data collection and usage possibly infringes the privacy of a person, as building automation systems synthesize data from multiple sources over time for revealing hidden insights like identification, profiling, and tracking of the inhabitants. Due to the inviting nature of most IoT devices, individuals have little awareness of what data is being captured about them. Also, the convenience offered by these devices overrides privacy concerns. Therefore, most people do not take sufficient steps and use devices with default settings by rarely reviewing the number of privacy policy documents. That's why we built Informed Consent Management Engine for Conformance, a reference architecture designed specifically for software engineers to assist in developing privacy-preserving solutions for smart buildings. It captures the payload of any given IoT data stream to critically analyze privacy policy infringements. With this, we also provide a model, a solution overview, and a prototype to demonstrate how this approach works in a smart shared workplace. So, for example, this is Johnny, who's a postdoc of the Humanized Lab. He prefers to turn on his smart heater and the lights via an office automation mobile app on the way to his room. Once he entered, he usually checks on his daily calendar schedule for the day and sets his smart door lock to be locked or unlocked automatically. After several months, he noticed that he is getting some strange personalized emails and advertisements from unauthorized third parties. He's got angry for disclosing his personal data via smart devices, including calendar and location details, without being aware of the consent and privacy policies. After reporting this incident to the management, they decided to integrate the Informed Consent Management Engine into their built-in automation system to better control IoT devices' privacy. It increases user awareness about privacy issues and data collection, provides visibility into privacy conformance, and recommends corrective actions through nudges while controlling the personal data disclosure. When a new device is introduced to the smart building, this consent engine applies textual patterns to the extracted device privacy policy statements in JSON format. After defining user groups, a PII bank is created by listing all key permissions defined by the device manufacturer at both software and hardware phases with a link to a risk level. Johnny can interact with the IoT devices in his smart office in three different ways: via a mobile application, IoT dashboard, and a voice assistant. These are consumers of the written API deployed on our Amazon Cloud API server to perform the policy check. So when he interacts with the device via his mobile app, the API captures the associated event payload to assess the event-specific policy statements stored in the MongoDB document database. Then all the applicable policies are tested and the result is logged as true or false to indicate any policy infringements and potential disclosure of high-risk PII. If any privacy issues arise, the API nudges Johnny and recommends corrective actions to his mobile applications. Simultaneously, a message broker runs on the server, routes this request to the appropriate device. Instructions are provided for the user to change their privacy settings, and different types of nudges are delivered based on the declined frequency of the same privacy threat. Then the current status of the device is reflected on an IoT dashboard and can be similarly controlled as both platforms are interconnected to provide remote access. We used Node-RED to configure the smart lab with multiple device and sensor interfaces to implement this IoT dashboard. With the new integration, Johnny and their peers were more aware about the privacy compliance and potential risks. Thereby, we believe the informed consent management engine can be used by software developers to implement diverse end user consent management solutions for a variety of shared smart spaces. Thank you for watching.